Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start studying the general aspects of the embryological development. And in this, you know that production of offspring by organism is called reproduction. The reproductive process ensures the survival of species. Asexual reproduction occurs in certain lower species. However, in higher species, including the humans, sexual reproduction is the normal method of reproduction. The sexual reproduction involves the presence of individuals of two sexes, male and female. Sexually mature males and females produce specialized reproductive cells called gametes. Union of male and female gametes start a chain of events that eventually results in formation of an embryo that will mature as a part of next generation. Now, in order to understand the reproduction, you have to know the anatomy of the structure of male and the female reproductive system. So, the reproductive system of the male as well as female human beings consists essentially of four components. That is the primary sex gland or the gonad, which produces the gametes, number one. Number two is the system of genital ducts, collectively called the genital tract. The genital ducts are concerned with the transport of gametes. The female genital tract serves the additional function of lodging the offspring during the prenatal development. Number three is the accessory sex glands, which produces secretions that help in process of reproduction. And number four is external genitalia, which are visible externally, and they are the external reproductive structures, and they help in reproduction. Now, the male reproductive system is designed to produce male gametes, that is known as spermatozoa, and to convey these into the female genital tract. The components of male reproductive system are again four components. You can see here. Now, a pair of male gonads called testes. So, these are the male sex glands or gonads called testes, in which the spermatozoa are produced. Now, then a system of male genital ducts consisting of vasa efferentia, duct of epididymis, ductus deferens, and ejaculatory ducts. Then the urethra. So, this is the genital duct system. Accessory sex glands, which include the seminal vesicles and these are the seminal vesicle and the prostate and bulbourethral gland. External genitalia that include the scrotum. This is the scrotum. This is a pouch like structure containing the testes, and this is the penis, the structure which is serving both for the reproductive function and the urinary system. Now, testes are paired oval glands measuring about 5 cm in length and 2.5 cm in diameter. Going to the next slide. Testes are paired structures. They are oval glands measuring about 5 cm in length and 2.5 cm in diameter. They lie within the scrotum, as I have shown you before, which is a fleshy pouch suspended below the perineum anterior to the anus. Now, each testis is covered by a capsule of dense fibrous connective tissue called the tunica albuginea. So, each testis is covered in its outer surface by a thick connective tissue called the tunica albuginea. Fibrous partitions called septa extend from the tunica albuginea into the testes and divide it into a series of internal compartments. So, these compartments are known as lobules. Each lobule contains one or three intrinsically coiled tubules called seminiferous tubules. These tubules contain two types of cells: spermatogenic cells, and from which the spermatozoa are produced, and fertilized cells that are supporting cells for the spermatogenic cells. The spaces In the seminiferous tubule, it contains clusters of large cells called the interstitial cells of Leydig, which secrete the male sex hormone. A network of thin tubules called the retitestes provide passage for the spermatozoa from the seminiferous tubules to the vasa essentia. These are the vasa essentia. These are the retitestes. So, from the seminiferous tubules, these sperms, spermatozoa, mature spermatozoa, they go into these retitestes, network of tubes, and then into the vasa essentia, and then from vasa essentia into the epididymis, duct of epididymis. So this is a single duct which is highly coiled, and it is located on the posterior surface of the testes. And you can see that this coiled duct is contained in a connective tissue covering, and this is known as epididymis, and the duct is known as duct of epididymis. So this epididymis is continuous with the vas deferens. Now, vasa essentia, from the posterior border of each testis, a series of highly coiled tubules called vasa essentia or ductuli efferentes, they arise. These tubules lie in the head of epididymis and join the duct of epididymis. Now, epididymis is a comma-shaped body measuring about 4 cm in length, which lies along the posterior border of each testis. It consists mostly of a tightly coiled tubule called the duct of epididymis. On naked eye inspection, the epididymis can be divided into 3 parts: head, body, and tail. The head is the upper dilated part of the epididymis. So this is the head, and it consists mainly of the vasa essentia that open into the duct of epididymis. Middle part of the epididymis is called body. It contains the highly coiled duct of epididymis. The smaller inferior part of epididymis is called tail. Within the tail, the duct of epididymis becomes the ductus deferens. Now this is the ductus deferens shown in the blue color. The duct of epididymis measures about 6 to 7 meters in length and 1 mm in diameter. It is lined by pseudostratified columnar epithelium bearing stereocilia. A thin layer of smooth muscle is present external to the epithelium. The epithelium serves as a site of maturation of spermatozoa. The spermatozoa takes about 2 weeks to travel through epididymis. During this period, the sperm completes its physical maturation and attains motility and fertility. Now, ductus deferens. The ductus deferens, also called the vas deferens. It is about 4 cm long. It begins in the tail of epididymis and as a continuation of the duct of epididymis. It ascends along the posterior border of the testes, passes through the inguinal canal, and enters the pelvic cavity. As the vas deferens ascends in the scrotum, it is accompanied by the blood vessels and nerves and lymphatics of the testes, as well as a thin circular band of skeletal muscle called the premenstrual muscle. Collectively, the vas deferens and its surrounding structures constitute the spermatic cord. In the pelvic cavity, different components of spermatic cord pursue separate course. The ductus deferens curves behind the urinary bladder over the ureter and runs medially towards the prostate gland. Each duct dilates into an ampulla and joins the duct of the seminal vesicle to form the ejaculatory duct. This I will show you in the next slide. The ductus deferens has a relatively narrow lumen but very thick muscular coat of 3 layers of the smooth muscles. Its primary function is to store spermatozoa and to propel them towards the urethra during the ejaculation. This propulsion is brought about by peristaltic contractions in the muscular wall of the ductus deferens. Now you can see this is the section of the testes showing the various seminiferous tubules, and in the seminephis tubules, this germinal epithelium and the Sertoli cells are visible. So the Sertoli cells are large pyramidal cells which give nutrition and protection to the this germinating cells, maturing cells. Now, ejaculatory duct, it is formed by the union of vas deferens as well as the duct of seminal vesicle. So you can see here, this is the vas deferens coming, and it forms a dilated part. Here, the duct of seminal vesicle joins the ductus deferens and forms the ejaculatory duct. Now, the ejaculatory duct, which ejaculatory duct is about 2 centimeter long and penetrates the substance of parotid gland to open into the urethra. And as indicated by their name, function of the ejaculatory duct is to eject spermatozoa into the prostatic urethra. Now, male urethra. Male urethra is urethra in male is a passageway utilized by the urinary system as well as the reproductive system. The male urethra is about 20 centimeter long and it is divided into 3 parts. Prostatic part, the one present within the prostate, then the membranous part immediately below the prostate, and then the penile part. So this penile part is the longest part. It is about 15 centimeter long. It runs through the penis and terminates at the external urethral orifice. Within the penis, it is surrounded by cylindrical body of erectile tissue called the corpus spongiosum. Hence, the penile urethra is also known as spongy urethra. Now, the accessory glands of male reproductive system. The accessory glands secrete the fluid portion of the semen that transports and nourishes the spermatozoa. Now, this accessory gland, they consist of seminal vesicles. Now, you can see here the gland called seminal vesicle. It lies behind the base of urinary bladder, just below the prostate gland and just above the prostate gland, and each seminal vesicle is a tubular gland which is coiled and folded in the form of compact fusiform body about 5 centimeter in length. Two seminal vesicles converge toward each other, and immediately above the prostate, each gland narrows down to form a duct that joins the ductus deferens to form the ejaculatory duct. The seminal vesicle contributes to about 60% of the volume of semen. Now, the prostate gland, this is the prostate gland. It is a single pyramid shaped gland with a diameter of about 4 centimeters. It lies at the base of the urinary bladder and surrounds the initial part of the urethra. So this prostate gland is in reality a collection of 30 to 40 small compound tubuloacinar glands. The ducts of these glands converge to form 15 to 30 terminal ducts that open into the prostatic urethra by separate apertures. So this is an exocrine gland, and there 30 to 40 ducts, they open up into the this prostatic part of urethra by separate apertures. Now, stroma of the prostate gland is very rich in smooth muscles. The prostatic secretions contribute to about 30% of the semen volume, and these secretions are ejected into the prostatic urethra by peristaltic contraction of the smooth muscles present in the stroma of the glands. Now, another gland called the bulbourethral gland. They are small, rounded bodies about 10 mm in diameter. They are located just below the prostatic gland on either side of the membranous urethra. So, not shown in this picture. Each bulbourethral gland has a small duct that runs interiorly for about 2 centimeter and opens up into the proximal part of penile urethra. The bulbourethral glands are also compound tubuloacinar glands containing smooth and skeletal muscle fibers in the stroma. Now, in response to erotic stimuli, these glands produce a mucoid secretion that serves as a lubricant for the urethra. Now, male external genitalia. Now, the male external genitalia, it consists of scrotum and the penis. You know, the scrotum is the fleshy pouch suspended below the perineum, interior to the anus, and this pouch is divided into two chambers, each of which lodges the testes. In the wall of scrotum, it consists of thin layer of skin, loose connective tissue, and smooth muscle. And the contraction of this muscle produces the characteristic wrinkling seen on the external surface of this scrotum. The penis is the tubular organ that surrounds the urethra. It conducts the urine to the exterior and it is used to introduce semen into the vagina of the female. The penis consists of a root that attaches it to the body wall, and a shaft, which is the main tubular part of the penis, and a glans, which is the terminal expanded part of this organ. And the glans is covered by a fold of skin. This is the glans, and this is covered by a fold of skin. Now, the internal structure of the penis. Now, cross section of the penis, as you know, that it consists of I have given you the external structure of the penis. Now the penis, internally the penis consists of three cylindrical masses of erectile tissue which are bound together by the fibrous tissue. The two dorsolateral masses shown here, dorsolateral masses, this is relative to the urethra, dorsolateral masses called the corpora cavernosa. These are limited to the shaft and do not extend into the glans penis. The relatively slender mid-ventral mass is called corpus spongiosum. So this is corpus spongiosum, which surrounds the urethra and extends into the glans up to the tip of the penis. All three masses of erectile tissue consist of an irregular sponge work of blood sinuses supported by trabecula or fibroelastic tissue. During sexual arousal, the artery supplying the penis, it becomes dilated, so the blood supply of the to the sinuses of the erectile tissue is greatly increased. Expansion of these blood sinuses compresses the veins draining the penis, so that the sinuses, they become engorged with blood and thus erection occurs. The penis returns to its normal flaccid state when the arteries, they become constricted and the pressure on the veins is relieved. So this is all about the male reproductive system,